Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Easy Craft Videos. I hope to all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the ideas of the crafting for the Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas is a unique ideas, and you know the Merry Christmas festival is very important, and all designs and all colors and all the shades are most trendy and most beautiful. So guys, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That is the most trendiest video. And you know the viral video is are only available on my YouTube channel, that is the Easy Craft Videos. Watch, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Most beautiful ideas, most colorful ideas, most unique ideas. So thank you to keep to watch the videos and to share my videos with your family and friends. Beautiful designs and beautiful colors, and the the crafting and the decoration is very compulsory on the Merry Christmas. And the Merry Christmas is a beautiful event, and Merry Christmas is a day of blessing, and everyone very happy and everyone busy on Christmas. So Merry Christmas 2023, and I hope the next year 2023 is very blessed for you. So keep watching and stay with me with the easy craft videos. Take care and bye bye.